Hello everyone. Today we have a quick quiz for bending moment diagram and we have 4 answers to choose from. The main structure is a sequence of beams fixed at both ends and everything is symmetric, and there is uniform loading on the mid part, and so we're going to have bending moment schematic diagram. So first answer is like this. So definitely for the mid part here, the answer is correct. It is just positive at the bottom and negative at two ends. So we're going to challenge the parts at two ends. Definitely it will be symmetric because the structure is symmetric, loading is symmetric, and everything should be symmetric. Part B is this diagram. So again, mid part is okay, and this part starting point is okay here and here, but we need to understand, is it right for the top part or not? And diagram C is still same, bottom part and this little column here or little transfer beam here, and the top part. And question, and part D is almost same for bottom part, and top part is uniform bending diagram, no changing in positive to negative or negative to positive. So which answer you think is correct? This is the structure with loading. It is symmetric, L and L on both sides and fixed support at two ends. So A is this one. It has positive, negative, but the mid beam or mid support has uniform negative bending. The second one is top part is just no changing in the value, in the positive or negative in the sign, and no changing here for this short column. Part C, positive, negative here, positive, negative here, and same for other side. And the last answer D, no change for that part, no change for this part, and positive, negative for this side. From the diagram, it is obvious that we should have positive, negative bending in every member, flat member, the horizontal member or vertical members. So we should consider A, not B, C, not D. So between A and B, this short column or short vertical member has full negative. That doesn't look correct. So we have to go for part C or answer C. That is positive, negative, and positive, negative. And answer C looks the most correct between all these answers.